You gon' do it like that? Damn, why you just doing like that? Damn, why you just doing like that? Ain't gotta waste in your ass to fat. Damn, why you just doing?
YouTube, we are back with another video. What's up, Faith fam? What's up, YouTube? Now today we got my boy KD in the chair, and we're doing the mid fade on my boy. No C cups. So yeah, just straight vertical bars. So we finna go ahead and start by brushing it or combing the hair down. Ain't gonna lie, I did it before the video, so. But yeah, just now go in with your ball guideline. Make sure it's nice and clean. And now we're simply just gonna bald out underneath, and I did the stubble alongside his face as well. And just continue that line all around the head and make sure it's also equal when you come back to the front. And right here, Faith fam, we are just simply cutting down his hair. We was started off with the 1.5, but the final decision on what length he had wanted was the 1 guard halfway close. Unfortunately, I couldn't record it because I ain't gonna lie, buddy had kept switching what length he wanted, so we was just trying to figure out what length he wanted because we was planning to cut it down anyway. And now here we're going in with our liver open. Now you want to make this finger, now we doing a fade this time, so you can make it a good size, probably on the fades you can stretch them a bit more because you also do have more room to work with, but for the most part, do it by the finger's width. And now after fully going in with that lever open, we're now going with our 1 guard lever open as well. And we're now closing that up to pretty much start the fading. And I also started 1 guard closed for some reason, then I opened up as I went up in the fade. But make sure you're also using your corners and brushing or combing the hair back down so you can see what effects are you having on the fade. Now we're coming in with our half guard closed. Now you want to do the same thing that you did with the 1 guard, but make sure you're still using those corners and brushing or combing the hair back down. And also, as you open your liver up, you can also kind of tilt that blade back even more so you can pick at the darkest parts. You can pick at the darker spots with a lighter touch. This as a check me, kind of like when you're checking your math after you done got the problem correct or wrong, whatever. But yeah, this is another way you can like also kind of detail. It's pretty much detailing at the same time too. And now we're going in with our liver closed, middle to open. Now this, really, I'm gonna say still use your corners, but just be tedious of where you put that corner of the blade. Like just really just use one corner and then, detail as you go. So you can take as many hairs as you need off or hairs that you want to stay. So that's something you might also want to do as well. So therefore, that way you have a clean and blurry fade. on that lineup, and y'all know this is the most relaxing part, but the most locked in part. So we're gonna start from the middle, and then just simply work our way to a side. Take that step back, see if it's fully straight across, and then work your way on from middle on to the other side that you didn't trim already, and then go ahead and hit your vertical bars. But one thing I also do is for my lineup prep, I use alcohol to wipe their hair and skin to pretty much clean it, and then I use my holding spray to lock those hairs down. And Fade Fam, right here, we're just going in with our enhancements to, pretty much tighten up those recession points. And my boy also had a widow's peak, if y'all didn't know. So we got, 3 areas to fix upon. So we're just gonna tighten those areas up, line it up one more time. Fade Fam, we're just gonna line it up one more time. And this trimmer, this is my harder trimmer, so make sure you also have like 2 sets of trimmers, like a soft trimmer and a hitter. So I'm just pretty much using my hitters right now to, what's the word? I'm gonna say solidate the line. That's gonna be the word for it in the comments, solidate. So if I know you made it this far, just type in solidate down in the comments and rate the haircut 1 through 10. Make sure you also like as well while you're at it. And this will definitely solidate the line for this lineup. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. We're trying to get to as many subscribers as we can, so let's go ahead and run that up. Hey fam, this is the before. YouTube, this is the cut. If you like this cut, go ahead and give it a like down below, a 1 through 10 in the comments, and a subscription for your boy. Cause hey, I did my thing. I ain't gonna cap. But y'all, we out. Peace.
You gon' do it like that? Damn, why you just doing like that? Damn, why you just doing like that? Ain't gotta waste in your ass to fat.